Hello. Well, hello. Welcome. Welcome to TruptisCraft Quill and Chill with Trupti. My name is Trupti More. I am paper quilling artist. How are you doing today? I hope you are enjoying your day. This week we have spring break here. So my kids are at home, so we are just relaxing, having fun. And sorry about last week. I didn't go live because my kids had one event in New Jersey. So we went there. That's why I didn't do live last week. Today also, I thought let's go live for a few 5-10 minutes and I will show you quick what I did and some projects I am working on and one quick tutorial. So let's see what I did. If you remember the Om in Mandala, I didn't finish it yet, but I will show you the progress that I did. So here is one. So you can see I just used a on edge technique to fill up the petals. So I just finished 3 petals. I need to finish 3 more petals. So it took me more than 2 hours to do these things only. For one petal, it's taking me, I think, more than 25 minutes to make one petal. So I have to do 3 more petals. So it will take almost 75 minutes, 75 to 80 minutes to finish this Om. I think I will finish it next week and you can see the end finished product. And then I'm working on one graduation gift. You may have seen I'm doing graduation gift with graduation hat certificate, and I will add the class of 2025, or if you want names, I can add names. So here is one example. It's not finished yet. I just started today. So I'm gonna fill this hat with Beehive Technique, and I'm gonna fill this certificate roll with just straight strips, and underneath I'm gonna add the name of the college and class of 2025 here. So it will be just print, and I will cut as a banner and I will put it here. So for this kind of verse, what I do, I have Cricut machine. So I will cut this template and I will glue it, and then I will do border. But if you don't have a Cricut machine, what you can do, you can just draw all the templates, whatever you want, and then you can color it and do border and fill it up. So today I'm gonna show you how to make beehives. Some of you may know what is it, but some of me you don't know what the beehive technique. Let me share some examples where I used that beehive technique. So if you see here in the ball, you see scrolls, right? So this technique is called beehive technique. It's not that hard. It's easy, but it is when you make it, it's a little bit time taking to fill the spaces with the beehive technique. I will show you more examples. Mm, so here is another basketball. So this is a here also I use beehive techniques. First I did border and I use beehive technique. Let me show you one more example. So here if you see for the face and for the wings, I use beehive technique, and again for the body, I also use beehive techniques, but I squish it and I glue it in the body part. So like this, a lot of people don't know about this technique, so I thought let's uh, show some quick tutorial for this technique. So let's start. Let me connect my another camera so that it will be easy for you to see it. One second. Okay. So as I told you, I'm gonna use Beehive technique here. So let's start. I'm gonna use black strips only. You can use any width paper strip to do this Beehive technique. For this project, I'm using 6 millimeter wide paper strip. So here you go. Just uh, if you know quilling, you know to make shapes, you have to start like this. You have to insert strip and just keep tiny bit strip to roll it. But for the Beehive technique, what you have to do, keep you have to at least keep 1 inch strip and insert it like this and hold it like this and then roll towards the end of the strip like this. Then remove it, let it go. Just like this. Again, keep almost 1 inch strip, insert and roll towards first scroll and then remove it. So like this, you have to roll whole strip and make beehive. So you can use this technique in various projects. You can make jewelry, you can make loose coil, you can make ring coils first, and you can insert this beehive in the loose coils and make earrings. Or just like I showed you some example, you can just do the border first, and you can, if you don't get any idea how to fill it up, you can just fill it up with this beehive technique. And it looks good for the filling. Let me roll couple of more and I will show you how to glue these beehives in this hat. Let me do one more. And yes, this Saturday I am conducting Easter egg decoration workshop in Fairfax. So if you are local and you want to do want to make some Easter decoration with your friends and family, you can join me. I will share the registration link in the comment so you can check that. It's kids friendly workshop. You can come. The restaurant is very nice. You can have food and you can enjoy quilling. If you want, you can stay later on also. And afterwards, you can enjoy the food. So like this, you can do beehive. Now let me show you how you can glue it. So take glue and apply glue here. And for the, as I told you, for quilling, this glue bottle is very useful. And I hope you saw last week's video where I showed how to fill this glue bottle. Now take the beehive that we made. So if you see beginning or end of the beehive is small. So if you want, you can cut it, or you can use access and then adjust this beehive and glue it. It's in the camera so that you can see nicely. So here, use tweezers and adjust the scroll and hold it for some time. So for this, you can use any width strips like 2 millimeter, 3 millimeter, 5, any width strips you can use it. So like this, you can glue it. You have to hold it for some time, otherwise those scroll will unroll it. So hold it. You can hold this part like this and take another strip that you rolled and glue it next. And if you see some gaps, if you see here, there is small gap. What I can do, I will take the ends which are small and I will just, or I can take small strip and just roll it, and I can put that in the corner so that it will fill, it will not look empty. So just hold it so that it will glue properly. Or sometimes what I do, I will apply glue for the some time, and then I will do beehive so that till that time glue will little bit dry, so you don't have to hold this for long time. You can do that way also, or you can hold it with your fingers for a little bit more time. Okay, so like this you can do beehive technique. I'm not sure if you are able to see it, but I will stop sharing my screen and I will show you like this. Maybe you can see. So here it's a beehive technique that I use. So like this, you can make a lot of scrolls and fill your design with this beehive technique and make beautiful things. I hope you like this tutorial, and don't forget that Google is gonna delete all these live videos after 30 days. Oh, hi, Sally. How are you? Yes, I remember you said that you need to learn how to make on-edge technique. Next week, I'm gonna show that. I noted down that I have to show you that. So don't worry. Next week, I'm gonna show you how to do that. So don't forget to join next week. Yes. So yeah. So don't forget that Facebook is gonna delete all these live videos in 30 days. So you can watch this video, or I'm gonna upload these videos on my YouTube channel. So you can watch this video after 30 days on my YouTube channel. Yes. Oh, Shelly, you are welcome. Don't forget to join next week. Next week, I'm gonna show that I'm working on another project. So I will, with that technique, I will show that next week. Yes. So I hope you enjoyed this, and if you like to learn something new, some new different technique, please let me know. I will definitely try to show this. And if you learn something from me, I would love to see your creation pictures, and I would love to see your feedback. You can give me the ideas what I can do during the live or what I can do. Please give me your feedback. So till the next time, just keep rolling. Bye.